Hey honey, it's me Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious steamed bread in the oven. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine together 1 cup of warm milk, 1 cup of warm water, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. Mix that through and let it ferment for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil or any oil you like, 1 egg, and mix that through. This step is optional, but I like to sift mine. I sifted 4 cups of flour, and if I feel that my batter or my dough is too wet, then I'm gonna go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup more of flour. Once it has come together, you're going to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and you're going to start kneading. I did use an electric beater. I find it's very efficient and less cleaning, okay? You're going to knead for about 6 minutes, and after that, you're going to add about 100 grams of softened butter. I use salted butter, but you can use unsalted butter. Then you're going to place it in a oiled dish covered with a damp cloth and let it rise until doubled in size for about 30 to 35 minutes. To successfully achieve this, honey, you're going to need a deep baking pan and another shallow pan that can fit into it. I used a foil pan in this instance. I'm going to separate my dough into two because it is a lot and my pans are small, and I'm going to place it into my foil pan and pat it down so that it can take the shape of my pan. Once that is done, I'm going to cover it with a cloth and let it rise for the second time for 10 minutes. You are going to add boiling water into that deep pan, and make sure not to add any into your dough because it's going to temper with how your dough rises. And then you're going to need some foil. You're going to cover your pan with the foil and make sure to leave a dome on top so that when your bread rises, it does not touch the foil on top and therefore start to brown. So make sure that the way you cover with your foil, as you can see, your foil must be risen on the top. Bake it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out dry. And this is the beauty, honey. This is the most simplest way I make my steamed bread, and I don't make any other way. It's delicious. I've revamped the recipe, and yes, I do have an old recipe where I'll show you how to make steamed bread in the oven using a muffin pan, so you can go ahead and check it out or leave it in the comments down below. Or if you're a student, you can also make some steamed bread in the microwave, and I also have a video which I will also leave in the comments down below. And yeah, I think this is the best way to make steamed bread, and I know festive is coming, so a lot is going to be made. So that's it for now, guys. Please like the video, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and show me some love, and I'll show you back some love. And I hope to see you on the next one.